Hello,
Hello.
my name is Ian. What's your name?
My name is Alisa.
How old are you, Alyssa?
I'm Stage.
And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, let's go to the part two of your speaking test. Please look at the screen. This picture is at the beach. Can you see the birds?
Is a part
Okay.
in a box
What color are they?
in a cellar
What color are their beaks?
with a cellar.
Okay. Where is the crab?
It is rest in under the table.
Okay, look at this girl lying on the chair. What is she wearing?
Is she's uh, under
She's wearing.
she's
She's wearing.
she's there
Is she wearing a t-shirt?
is dress.
Okay, please look at the boy and the girl in the sand. What are they doing?
In the cousin.
Okay, they are.
They are on
Are
the crow.
okay? Are they playing football? No.
No, I don't.
Okay. Please look at these pictures, Elisa, which is the pumpkin. Okay, I'm putting the pumpkin under the chair. It's here. Now put the pumpkin next to the sandcastle. Okay, that's it. Which is the witch in this picture? Okay, very good. Put the witch on the umbrella, please. Okay, good job. That's it. Okay, next. Which is the gorilla? Put the gorilla between two children swimming in the water. Okay, that's it. That's correct. Now, which is the plum? Put the plum under the chair. Okay. Are you ready for the third part? Yes?
Yes, I
Okay, let's go. What is it?
Has
What color is it?
in a was and dress.
Do you like to wear caps?
Says
How many caps do you have?
is two. Has
Now, what is this?
is a camera.
What color is it?
In a pink, purple, in a blue.
Yes? Have you got any cameras?
No, I don't.
Do you like taking photos?
Says
Yes, I.
I am.
Okay. What is it?
In a crocodile.
Where can you see it?
In a zoo.
Are you scared of wild animals? Are you scared of wild animals?
No, I don't.
What is this?
In a cat.
What's the color of this cat?
In a grass.
Have you got any pet?
Says
Dogs or cats? Have you got any pet? Do you have a dog? A
in
cat?
a glass,
You have a dog. What color is your dog?
in a zero,
Okay. Do you like wild animals?
yes,
Okay, let's go to your favorite animal. Let's talk about it. Do you like to go to the zoo? Do you like to go to the zoo?
in
Yes, I do. No, I
no,
don't.
I know,
Have who do you go with rather? Who do you go with? Do you go with your family, your friends, or your classmates?
in
Who?
family,
What do you do at the zoo?
in
Do you feed animals at the zoo?
in getting photo,
Okay. Tell me about your favorite animal.
in
What's your favorite animal? Do you like dog?
noodleized lion,
Okay, lion. Why lion? What's the color of the
nose,
lion?
in zero,
What do they like to eat?
in miss,
Meat. Okay. Thank you, Alyssa. Bye bye.
baby.